Today we're joined by Klinsmann Langhanz, who is from Brazil. Cheers.
Cheers. A little spoiler of what will happen at the end of the video.
We do get excited and talk a lot, don't we?
Yeah,
okay.
like a flashy version.
Ooh, flashy Klinsmann, let's go.
Yeah. Talking about Bill Gates, about Steve Jobs, like, he was friends with the guys.
Yeah, that's going to be in the teaser video.
Oh, we got to do the clinking thing.
We have to do the clinking thing.
How long are you two going to play for?
We got VBA, we got Power Query, we got Power Pivot, Python, custom lambdas, OA robot.
Yeah.
Endless opportunities and possibilities.
I'm copying this, I'm doing that, I'm doing that. Da, da, ta-da.
Okay.
It's almost like this is your way of kind of like expressing your artistry. Is
Yeah.
there cases?
Yeah, totally, absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, they did a little dim jingle. Yeah, I think we should sing that.
It should be called Dimgo. I mean, everything Excel related.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We clink?
Shall we?
Success. Great success.
Yeah. The bloopers.